What do you think right now? We're seeing the Dow futures move higher on the back of that Salesforce earnings report. What does that tell you about the day ahead?
Well, I think the day ahead is going to be interesting. We might see some volatility today just because we have core PCE numbers coming out. So how the day ends matters a little bit, in that I think it's going to sort of plant a psychological seed for investors, right? If that number is too hot, then all of a sudden investors are going to worry that, oh, look, the Fed is unlikely to just pause, but may hike, and then you get a pullback in equity. So I think a lot has to do with that. And it might be like the NVIDIA story, right? The other day, we had NVIDIA earnings come out. They were just absolutely wonderful, stellar. You expect the market to rally, but then, the Fed talk kind of tempered the gains for that day. So it might be that
Right.
same sort of day where stellar move, corporate America is holding up, great news, but let's wait and see what happens with PCE and what that means for the Fed.
Right. All right. So PCE coming up later this morning, as we've been saying all morning long. It is the Fed's preferred gauge when it comes to inflation. So with that potential inflection point coming up, what is your WEX word of the day?
My WEX word of the day is actually dollar cost average. I think that once you get these opportunities in the market, when you see, slight pullbacks, but you have this kind of steady ground of the future where we're not going to get into a massive recession, most likely. You have so much innovation, corporate spending coming up, money on the sidelines going into the market. Stocks can rally for the next, few years. If you dollar cost average in, you pick up stocks at a lower price on these days that the market pulls back, and it benefits you with your returns in the future. And it's just a smart strategy for the long term, especially for younger investors.
All right. So, we're always looking for plays for this day. So as we mentioned, there's an inflection point potentially coming up with the PCE report, but you're very hot on the travel trade. Why would you put money in that area right now?
Yeah, so I think travel has done extremely well. If you look at some of the cruise names, for example, they're up 100% or more year to date, and that's of course over year over year, where you had kind of the after effects of COVID playing into the story. But spending has gone from goods to services. Americans are out there. Actually, globally, investors are out there traveling. They're spending money on experiences, on hotels, on airlines, on cruise ships, and I think that they've had that ability to have premium prices and things like this. So the companies are benefiting. Earnings seasons and remarks from CEOs about forward-looking bookings are also really stellar. So I think business travel is picking up. The spend's going there. It's a good place to look.
All right, you have a bunch of picks for us. You actually have another one in the EV space. So it's ETF EVXX. It's a pure play when it comes to EVs. Shares up about 30% year to date. Why would you put money in there right now? And give us a sense of some of the top holdings.
Yeah, I absolutely love this story. So I think, when you think about trades and themes that are going to play out in the next, 5 years or so, that are actually going to that trajectory, and you have forward-looking data proving it, that's EVs. This year, they're poised to be about 18% of all cars sold globally. That number set to double in the next 5 to 10 years. So the top three holdings there are Tesla, Rivian, XPeng. You also have Li Auto and NIO there, but some great stories. You do XPeng, for example. They've had a recent rally because of their partnership with Didi. They're picking up, millions of users there, that smart EV
Right.
technology. They have the Volkswagen partnership. Tesla, we know, sort of owns the worlds of EV charging stations, massive growth on deliveries there. It's the way of the future.
Got it.
Government incentives are behind it. It's the trade.